Hello, this is Taj Tyres. I've got a smart fortwo here. Just doing a side light bulb. I'm going to sorry, the number plate light bulb. I've already done one side, but it's quite an awkward one. We'll just show you how it's done. Basically, all you need is a flat screwdriver and just another little screwdriver if you've got one, and a 501 bulb. Just right there. Now, if you switch the lights on, if you see the right one, I've already fixed that one. That's working now. And the passenger side one isn't. All you now do is, if you slot your screwdriver in there and then pull it to the right, push it to the right and then pull it towards you. Once you've got that out, you got to remember to disconnect the cable. Reason I say that, because the bulb in there is quite hard to get out. So once you've disconnected it, you've got the whole thing in your hand, and then I'll show you how it's done. Just give me one sec. Ahead, click. Still not doing it. There we go, that's done. As I got this out here in my hand now, I then put a screwdriver in there again and then gently lift the lens out. Got it out. Now the reason I said, if you had that connected, the plug connected to it, all you can see is if you were to put a screw, you can't pull this with your fingers, it's really awkward. So you put a screwdriver right inside and gently push the bulb forward. And if you did that while it was connected, you would have blown a fuse. So never try that. Okay, so one side is out, we just get the other side now. Just wiggle. And that's it, it's out. So I'm going to put a new one in. It's a 501 bulb you need. Slot that in, there's only one way it would go in. Slot it in. This would only go one way as well. As you can see right there. Got the little gap, goes in there. And then you connect it. And now we're just going to check, see if it's working. Could you just double check, please? Make sure before we put it back together. That's it, that's all working. That's all you go do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know about this car, then this particular model, then we do have a playlist for Mercedes, and there is a smart car in there that we've done the pressure reset, I think, as well, and there's other few things we've done on this particular model. Do check it out and let us know. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.